Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC kaladawa ya Presiden Meghalaya BJP Youth Wing ubala penmi hagijing tho jong u hakirin san khubor paidbah hakaba ulaong badai bansu siat bet ye kibayaki apo Jantar Mantar kabadang ne hadu kini kisngi ka MPYC kalaong bakum ka seng kadawa ya ka BJP Meghalaya bakandei ban pensyai bat kumjuru bakadei ban penhiar sukino ya utu nong yalam uba omdon jikit khlieh ya kynhun samla habakran kilat pathai khubor hakasni ba ar hagajing yadon lang kinong yalam kaseng bakantop yo samla Derek Jerwa General Secretary u Jonathan CM Vice President uban phira basayamot Chief Organizer kilapan pau kajing lengo ba Kumno kum ubriu ba tip ya kaan lani u advocate udang penmi na shintur jong u yakini jingkran kaba umdon jingkit khlieh bat kane kalapan leran shibon ya kajilla halor kane kajingkran ka jong u hakawei pat kalyang kinong yalam ka seng kongres kilayat huru ba haka arpu tarik mentau bunai kumba saungut na ki dukhot jongka kilet hiar che Jantar Mantar New Delhi ban ya kendu ya kinong yalam jongka kongres ban pen sngoru ya bawat Meghalaya ru ka pule puthi kala hiar bah bat hadin kane kin salet ban ya don berengkat lang bat ki khun samla ki beyaki a Jantar Mantar ban let ai mensim ban ya don lang bat ki hakum kane gejingja kabala le da ka sorkar BJP ban thom da ka bor ya ki bayaki na daw ka jinglat tu ka paper need ha kari hi baro kawi kila ong maka jinglong ka BJP ka nongsynshar kari ka don ya ka jinglong ban thombet da ka bor ya kino ki bai khi persya hinrei kat kum ka article khat khandai ka riti nongsynshar kari la aban penlong ya ki jing ïakhih.
President of the youth wing of the BJP, the statement that he gave maybe in his social media account, this is not acceptable, not just for the Congress, this is not acceptable by the citizens of the country. What steps we will take as a party, we will sit down and talk about our program, but we've been standing with the students community, we've been participating in protests. The Youth Congress have conducted protest march maybe in the last 2 months. Now let's focus on the matter at hand. The statement made by the president of the youth wing of the BJP, this just reflects what the BJP stands for. We've seen the violence in Delhi, where police, the government were using the machinery, right, to inflict pain, to be physical with the protesters, right? And whatever this person has stated in his social media account, this just reflects the BJP's attitude towards the youth. So from the Congress, we will always stand with the youth, because this is not just about the Congress. This is about our society. This is about our future. This is about the welfare of our students. Paper leaks, it's not a joke, right? It's just this didn't just happen just once. It's been happening. Paper leaks has been happening in India. It's affecting the families in the rural areas who have been sacrificing, right? They've spent so much time preparing for the exams. And as students, all of us here, right, we have gone through exams, and we know the anxiety that we face before the exams. To face the exam twice, the same exams twice, it's not a joke, right? The anxiety faced by parents, the amount of money spent on tuitions, the money spent on coaching centers, right? So a lot of effort has been put so that students clear the exams. So when there is a paper leak, only the people who have appeared for the exams understand the seriousness of the matter. What is painful for us, what we've seen in yesterday's protest, the student community in Shillong, our community, right, the awareness, or maybe people feel that because it is not affecting them, so they're not coming out in hordes. So as a political party, as a party who's responsible, right, we are the ones who should be responsible to create this awareness, what's happening to our country. It's not just my family, it's what's happening in the country. It's affecting every family. All these people who want to be future doctors, future engineers, they've lost trust, they've lost faith in the system. So it's not just the Congress. I'm speaking not just as a congressman, not just as a Congress party worker. I'm speaking as a brother, I'm speaking as a father, I'm speaking as an uncle. I'm speaking for everyone. Our family will be affected one day. We will be affected one day. The quality of doctors that we will have, the quality of engineers that we will have. If the system is not right, if the system is corrupt, we will have to stand up against this. And to hear a statement or to see a statement being made by a person who's holding office in a national party. This just reflects the way things are in India right now. Party leaders yung ipo Delhi, niya lit sa Jakarta protest, kindo leaders yung students leader university bapler, ini kundo berkini kiba dan ka Jantar Mantar kidang dan ka ujung kiro kidang dan ka Jakarta ki ya protest ini kundo yaki ditang ngili mensure represent ne bangiru ngin plus ngo yaki ba kani kam ta tangi ki bri hok ki mainland India re kham tam bingi sine ka ba sine siri room ki jong hakba ka rukomlong ki education system ka education jong ki bahar ki kwa kinyos ngo ya apply ne ki jing jong ki ba han ki than ki jong
tu phi kloi nem pada kum
hoi kanono ka sinjam ka ba kam ditang ni sakhan kanono ka sinjam ka ba ngi smutei banle na mata ki samla ki jongi na mata ki para ki jongi ni kloi binya snokti bat bangin dita masukti bat menyalam hir nakhman men wala bi ka jingpuli po ka jala jongi po ka ri ki jongi kata jingpuli po ki kimi ka pa ki shania ka ba ki khna ki dan ka jin ka believe ka dang
press ki balaiwan kilaya youth congress ni don lang ni di member juga youth bagi wan persyajur ya kawe ke cingkren ke statement unda ke cingkren ke statement ke ba way presiden juga BGP youth wing ulat ho aki social media ba mentaki ke don ketu ke cingga protes nam tagi ni paper leaks ha ke ba ni kongres ngila protes kini ki benai ki baladam rekai ke bangiyo ke ba penkendit ini ikut samla bau tho apa social media jungu wong ba ya kini se ki ba protes ki di pensian hi wong ba tear gas is not enough, shoot them. So kani pen I ba kalong kai ke mensim kumba ono mensiu rudum hakicup ki bompat kumba kani kacup tungi kacup cinsar kacup demokrasi. Kani ke statement bau tho hapo social media kalau rak ta sibun ikikun samla kaba mau kum presiden jong ke youth wing Meghalaya ladai mau uban yarap lem ban yasai lem kudai mau kum presiden jong BGP ubadon khubor po Delhi ban yarap lem nam ta kun samla ke jungi barok koi aslak tungri India bat kham tam nika state Meghalaya jong rai mau pemi kum kani ke statement tinggi ba ke cinglong ciman ke mindset cuki kilong thik hi kum pitu se ki anbhat ni o ki BGP balada don gono bom stit le daka penting pensmi dari kum bagi om kat kum ka constitution right ke chungi kat kum ka article 19 nila protes hak demokrasi hi ni don ni kena ka hok bat om da ka penting pensmi om da ka berngam berset om da ka berngam da ban siat ban subeniap
and telling saying for words and all that, and despite he's an advocate, I mean, like, where is his ethics, you know, as an advocate? So this is very, like, unprofessional, so to say, and we really condemned him. And after, you know, everyone that what's going on in Delhi, or it's like a war. Then we've seen from lots of media that many youth is, you know, they are all there beaten up. And then, you know, coming up from a guy who's from Meghalaya, I mean, like, it's such a disgrace. I mean, like, no one, like, you know, they don't have the sense of humor, thinking, and then I feel so ashamed. And from the Meghalaya Youth Congress, we want him to, you know, to step down, and we need some actions needs to be taken against him. And you can't say, you know, to kill the people who protest. I mean, like, these people come from all over India to protest for our nation, for the worldwide, so that everything will go in peace, knowing that all the need of the examination, what is going on. So yes, from the Youth Congress, we strongly condemn him and the BGP. So thank you. Not yet, and we will sit and discuss, and we will see what's next for him.
What sort of action do you want from the BGP?
Actually, like coming from the president of BJP youth wing, they should do something about it. Such words you can't say such words like killing the youth who protest there in Delhi. I mean, like, have some common sense. I mean, he's an advocate, so I don't know where is his mindset, and I mean, you should speak on your mind. You can't just speak what's going on, or you can't be unprofessional, so to say. You have to be very professional when you lead any team, when you lead a party. You have to be professional on this. No, this is not acceptable.
So as of now, we are doing this press conference. So we'll see afterwards if he's not answerable to this what we have asked him to do. We'll proceed with the protest as well. Done recently, in the last 2-3 months back, we have done the protest. Yesterday also a group of youth were gathering there. We from the youth congress, from the congress also, we join them, we support them. So anything related to what issue which affect the youth or which affect the country, we are ready to fight, we are ready to join.